Hey there! Welcome to our fun and exciting chemistry guide. Ever wondered what makes your soda fizzy and gives it that delightful, bubbly sensation? Or why soap feels so slippery and smooth when you wash your hands? Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of acids, bases, and salts. These substances are all around us and play crucial roles in our daily lives. By the end of this video, you'll be a chemistry whiz, ready to tackle any quiz. Let's start with acids. They are more common than you might think. Acids are substances that release hydrogen ions, H+, when dissolved in water. This release of hydrogen ions is what gives acids their unique properties. They can make solutions turn blue litmus paper red, which is a classic test to identify an acidic solution. Acids also have a distinct sour taste. Think about the tangy flavor of lemons or the sharp taste of vinegar. Common examples of acids include vinegar, which contains acetic acid, and lemon juice, which contains citric acid. Now let's move on to bases. Bases are substances that release hydroxide ions, OCH, in water. This release is what gives bases their characteristic properties. Bases turn red litmus paper blue and often have a bitter taste and slippery feel. This is why soap, a common base, feels slippery. Think of baking soda, which is a base used in cooking, or soap, which helps us clean. Both are everyday examples of bases. Okay, so what happens when you mix an acid and a base? They undergo a chemical reaction known as neutralization. During neutralization, an acid and a base react to form a salt and water. This reaction is fundamental in chemistry. For example, when hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, they form table salt, sodium chloride, and water. Let's talk more about salts. Salts are ionic compounds that result from the neutralization reaction of an acid and a base. They are essential in various chemical processes. Salts can be found everywhere, from the salt you sprinkle on your fries to the minerals dissolved in natural water sources. Now, how do you identify these substances? There are several methods, but one of the most visually striking is the flame test. In a flame test, when you heat a compound, the metal ions emit characteristic colors. This can help identify the metal present in the compound. Different metals produce different flame colors. For instance, sodium ions produce a bright yellow flame. Sodium, for instance, gives off a bright yellow flame, which is quite distinctive and easy to recognize. Potassium burns with a lilac flame, and copper gives a greenish-blue flame. These colors are unique to each metal and can be used for identification. Here's a quick tip for the lab. Always wear your safety goggles and gloves. Safety is paramount when conducting experiments. Chemistry can be fun and incredibly rewarding, but it's important to stay safe and follow all safety guidelines. To sum it up, acids release hydrogen ions, bases release hydroxide ions, and when they react, they form salts and water. This fundamental concept is key in chemistry. Flame tests can help you identify specific metal ions based on the color they emit. This is a handy tool in the chemist's toolkit. I hope you enjoyed this quick dive into the world of acids, bases, and salts. Chemistry is all around us, and understanding it can be both fun and useful. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more chemistry tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Happy studying. Keep exploring the wonders of chemistry.